We have a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta, and to check the antifreeze on this generation, you're first going to want to open up the hood. So pull slightly on the bottom of the lever there, you'll hear a pop, and walk around to the front of the car. And just under the front lip of the hood, there's a little lever. Just push that lever up. You can see right here where that lever is. And then the hood prop is right on the front there. Just take that hood prop and place it right in the little spot for the hood prop in the hood. And then you're gonna see the whole engine here. You've got your oil dipstick, oil filler cap, washer fluid, and this is your antifreeze right here. So there's a couple lines at the bottom. We've got minimum amount. So if you open up the hood and you notice that this is empty, you're going to want to be first very careful if the engine is hot, because there's pressure in here. If the engine is on, there's pressure in the system. If you open this, you can really hurt yourself. So please be careful, wait till the engine cools off, and even then, try to put a rag over it, stand to the side of the car, and just especially shield your face and eyes. So if you notice that this is empty, still be careful in opening it, because even if this is empty, there's still fluid in the system, and that fluid can come rushing out. This can be quite a high pressure. Sometimes they don't relieve themselves as they should, and this turns into something that can be very dangerous. So please be careful, use caution, fill it up to the minimum point, or in between that hash marked right there, you can see. And if you've got any questions or comments, post them below. But this is the antifreeze fill area for a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. So I hope this video is helpful, guys. Like I said, post your comments below. Thanks for your time. Good luck with your project.